Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel PrimeFit Path. Today I will be guiding you through a 20-minute Reformer Pilot routine designed to enhance your flexibility and stretching. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced practitioner, this exercise is perfect for loosening up tight muscles and improving your range of motion. Let's start with a gentle warm-up. Begin by sitting on the reformer carriage facing the foot bar. Place your feet hips width apart on the foot bar and hold onto the shoulder blocks. Press your heels into the foot bar and slowly extend your legs, pushing the carriage away. Inhale as you press out and exhale as you return to the starting position. Let's do this for 10 reps. Great job. Now let's move on to some stretching. Exercise 1. Leg circle. Next, we will do leg circle to open up the hips and stretch the legs. Place your feet in the straps, extend your legs towards and ceiling, and keep them straight. Start by making small circles with your legs, gradually increasing the size. Inhale as you circle out and exhale as you bring them back together. We will do 5 circles in each direction. Reverse the direction now. Keep breathing and focus on the movement. Exercise 2. Short spine stretch. Now let's transition to the short spine stretch. Keep your feet in the straps and arm relaxed by your sides. Begin by bringing your legs over your head, lifting your hips off the carriage. Exhale as you roll back down slowly, one vertebra at a time. We will do this for 5 reps. Feel that nice stretch in your spine and hamstrings. Take your time and move with control. Exercise 3. Mermaid stretch. Next up is the mermaid stretch. Great for opening up the sides of your body. Sit sideways on the carriage with one leg bent in front and the other extended behind you. Place one hand on the foot bar and the other arms overhead. Inhale as you reach up and exhale as you bend towards the foot bar. Let's hold for a few beats and then switch side. Feel the lightening through your side body and breathe deeply into the stretch. Exercise 4. Elephant stretch. Moving on to the elephant stretch. Stands on the reformer carriage with your hands on the foot bar and feet against the shoulder blocks. Keep your legs straight and push the carriage back with your feet. Inhale as you lengthen through your spine and exhale as you return. We will do 5 reps. Keep your movement controlled and focused on the stretch through the hamstrings and spine. Let's finish with a relaxing cat-cow stretch. Kneel on the carriage with your hands on the shoulder blocks. Inhale as you arch your back, lifting your head and tailbone. Exhale as you roll your spine, tucking your chin and tailbone. We will do this for 5 reps. Wonderful. Feel the mobility in your spine and enjoy this final stretch. Thank you so much for joining me today for this Reforming Pilates flexibility and stretching routine. I hope you feel more relaxed and flexible. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more Pilates workout. See you next time.